Good morning, YouTube. This is what I'm dealing with this morning. Blizzard-like conditions. That's my real Hot Wheels car, one of one. And it's buried. This is what it looks like, guys. No one's out on the roads, no one can drive. State of emergency. This is in Massachusetts. Pretty nasty. Here's my dog, Biggie. Say hi, Biggie. Hey, Biggie. Say hi. He's a pit bull. He just peed on the porch because he doesn't want to go down the stairs. Come on, Biggie. Come on. Come on. Look how deep it is. It's over a foot deep. That's incredible. That is incredible. Come on. Wow. Look, guys, that's my leg. Pretty damn deep. There's a fence, half buried. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Aw, what's the matter? Come on. Come on down, Biggie. Come on. Don't be a baby. Come on. You're supposed to be a pit bull, not a baby. Come on. He's not used to this type of weather like this. He knows about snow, but not like this. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. This isn't supposed to end till tomorrow, I guess. It's Tuesday morning, approximately around 8 o'clock in the morning. You good boy. Come here. Come on. Hey. Come here, Biggie. Alright, guys, well, people on the road there that shouldn't even be on the road. Alright, guys, we'll take care. God bless. What's the matter? What's the matter, big boy? The biggie biggies. You good boy?